Menelaus, the noble warrior and disciple of Ares, emerged from the matchless city of Sparta. As its king, he became the leading role of one of the most famous tales in world history. Menelaus, the son of the cursed Atreus and brother of Agamemnon, the most powerful of the Greek kings, was known for his strong sense of honor and duty. He was destined to play a significant role in the epic tale of men and gods. Besides his impressive skills as a warrior, Menelaus was also renowned for his exceptional physical appearance. As a result of his striking beauty, he was selected by Helen, the princess of Sparta, to be her spouse. However, his marriage to Helen, who was considered the most beautiful woman of all, brought both blessings and misfortunes. Their love for each other was the cause of the Trojan War, a conflict that had a significant impact on the fate of kings and nations. Menelaus once journeyed to Troy, where he was warmly welcomed by Prince Paris. The hospitality shown to him was so great that he felt compelled to return the favor. But Menelaus was unaware of the mistake he was making. During Paris's visit to the court of Sparta, he took advantage of his host's absence, as he had to attend his grandfather's funeral. Paris kidnapped the queen and stole her possessions. This act was considered vile. Menelaus was filled with anger and turned to his brother for assistance in enforcing the oath taken by the Greek nobles. These had promised to uphold Helen's marriage to the man of her choice. The Greek nobles fulfilled their promise and sailed across the Aegean Sea with several ships filled with warriors, all headed towards the Trojan coast. Their goal was to rescue Helen and thereby salvage the honor of all Greece. Menelaus was a formidable warrior and an inspiring leader who stood out on the battlefields in front of the Trojan walls. He persisted despite the wrath of the gods and the unyielding resistance of the Trojans. Guided by his courage, honor, and love for Helen, he navigated through the darkness of war, relentlessly pursuing justice. After years of war, Menelaus was finally going to engage in a one-on-one duel with the man who had abducted his wife. The formidable follower of Ares exerted his dominance over his foe throughout the entire duel. From the very beginning, Paris trembled with fear in the presence of the imposing hero. If it weren't for the gods, who made his sword break upon striking the head of the adulterous prince, Menelaus would have succeeded in killing Paris. He continued to drag Paris by the helmet, humiliating him in front of both Greeks and Trojans. But Paris could rely on Aphrodite. She formed a dense cloud around him, allowing Paris to evade a fatal attack. Menelaus was outraged by Paris's escape. After all, it had been agreed that the winner of the duel would be awarded possession of Helen of Troy. Pandarus, the Trojan archer, deceitfully shot an arrow at Menelaus, causing a severe injury. He managed to recover and join the Hellenic vanguard to fight again. The courageous Spartan king was one of the valiant warriors who hid inside the wooden horse, built to delude the Trojans and launch an invasion of the city. Menelaus and other heroes advanced towards the royal palace in search of Helen after invading the city. He found that his wife had remarried Prince Dephobus after Paris's death during the war. Menelaus slew Dephobus with the same intensity that he would have used to butcher Paris. The king of Sparta entered the Trojan palace to kill his wife. However, when he saw his beloved Helen, he found himself unable to fully carry out his revenge. After forgiving Helen, Menelaus brought her back to Greece, his true homeland. This act restored the honor of all of Hellas. The tale of Menelaus, which is intertwined with the legends of the greatest heroes and gods, continues to be told to this day. It is recounted in verse and sung by poets, serving as a testament to the enduring strength of love, honor, and vengeance.